Hi listeners. I'm Jacob, your host. Welcome to this new podcast episode. Did you know the automotive industry requires delicately designed parts? To make these parts precisely and accurately, CNC machining is important. Contact Createproto Rapid System Limited to hire such services. They can ensure automotive parts meet industry standards with precision and durability. By employing advanced manufacturing techniques, they can produce high-quality and reliable components. Also, they offer swift and accurate quotations, allowing clients to proceed promptly with confidence and efficiency. For further details, call +8 618025329092 or visit createproto.com. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for the next episode.